Hello and welcome to my blog. Today I'm going to hopefully try to fix my non-working indicators. They work occasionally, not when it's not turned on, but if I hit a speed bump or anything like that, then they go off. So I'm thinking maybe there's a loose wire or there's something else going on. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's what. It's interesting because I've just taken the battery box off, well, the back, and oh, there's a fella living in there. Don't know if you can see that. There's a big spider. Yeah, won't you? There you go. Preferably out and off the bike altogether, if you don't mind. Go on, off you go, off you go. Bye bye. So, because I've been worried about it being a loose wire, I took off all the spade connectors and wired it all in, hardwired it and taped it up. So it's not, if it is this, which I think it is, it's not going to be an immediate replacement. It's going to be a bit of a job. So here we go. Yeah, it's on, as you can hear. If I click the indicator switch, there's no indicators. I discovered, not thinking it was a loose wire, but if I hit this button very slightly on the top, there's a crackling sound and the indicators come on. So I think it's definitely the box. This is internally is not working properly. The bike sounds a bit rough, needs an exhaust pipe. I need to get an exhaust pipe. Currently it's been out of MOT for a week, so I figured before I even see if I can get through the MOT with the exhaust pipe, I would need to fix the indicators. Anyway, so that's definitely what it is. Let's give that a go and see what happens. So I put a new box on. This one hasn't got a sticky pad for sticking in the same place, so I'm gonna have to go and find some glue to stick it on. But a quick test. As you can see, it's really sunny out here today. As you can see, that is actually working. See if it works. Certainly before I could rev it up and it would go off. Whereas now I can rev it up and they're staying on. It's not even flickering. So I think that's cured it. As I say, I need to go take it out for a ride and run over some bumps, but I can't do that at the moment because it hasn't got an MOT. So now I've got to try to find myself an exhaust, or I can take it up to the garage and see if it'll pass. It passed last year with an advisory that the exhaust was blowing, and I've hardly used it. It's hardly done, I doubt if it's done, well, 20 miles. I doubt if it's done 10 miles in that time. So the exhaust can't be blowing much more. So hopefully if it passed last year, then it'll pass this year. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm glad I've done that. It was much quicker than I thought I had, because I had actually, although I hardwired these bits here, but I still had spade connectors on the end, which I didn't think I did. Anyway, thank you for watching this latest video. Very short because it was very easy. Next video, hopefully, will be me celebrating the fact that I got it through the MOT and I'll be taken out for a ride. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.